What is the first thing that came to your mind when you saw this question? Do you feel like, oh, I can't solve this? Or do you feel like I can solve it? So let's see, let's try and figure it out together. So we'll be using the PEMDAS rule. The PEMDAS rule. We'll be using the PEMDAS rule. That means we'll be solving whatever we have in the bracket first, that is the parenthesis. Then we solve the exponent, and then we multiply and divide. Don't forget that multiplication and division, they are on the same hierarchy. That is, whenever multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. Same thing applies to addition and subtraction. So now let's take a look at this. This is the parentheses here. So let's start with this. Let's start by solving the parentheses. And in the parentheses, we have an exponent, which is 4 squared. So what is 4 squared? That is 4 times 4. That is 16. So this becomes 16 divided by 4. And this gives 4. So let's rewrite the equation. The equation becomes, the expression becomes 10 times 4, then minus 2, then times 4. Since we've simplified the parentheses, then we have divided by 2, divided by half plus 9. Now, after solving parentheses, we've solved exponents. Now we are left with multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So now we are to solve from left to right. Let's solve this. 10 times 4 becomes 40. Yes. And then we have from left to right again, negative 2 times 4 becomes negative 8. Now we have divided by 2. Let's write it out so we don't complicate it. Divided by 2, then divided by half, then plus 9. Right here, we need to solve, like I said, when addition and multiplication and division appears together, you solve from left to right. So we've solved the first multiplication, we've solved the second multiplication. Note that I did not subtract because it is not yet time for subtraction. We are dealing with multiplication and division first. Now we've solved the multiplication that appear by the left. Now we are left with this division and then another division. Let's divide. 8 divided by 2 gives 4. So this becomes 40 minus 4, then divided by half, and then plus 9. Now we've simplified it further. Now the next thing is to divide again. We are not subtracting yet and we are not adding yet. So this is where we use the keep, change, and flip rule, where we keep the 4 so that we have 40 minus 4. We keep the 4. We change the operation to multiplication, and we flip the fraction. 1 over 2 becomes 2 over 1, and that is 2. And then we have plus 9. Now we can multiply. So this gives 40 minus 8, then plus 9. Then we solve from left to right again. 40 minus 8, that gives 32, and then 32 plus 9. And this will be 41. So this is the final answer. So whenever you see questions like this, don't fret. Just take a look at it patiently, take it one step at a time and solve. And you will be able to solve everything. Start by solving what you have in the bracket, that is the parentheses, then solve the exponent, solve multiplication and division from left to right, then solve addition and subtraction from left to right, and you will get the correct answer. So I'll see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments, did you get it or did you make a mistake somewhere? Let me know.